fall apart. What does that mean? Fall apart is a phrasal verb. We know what it means to fall. Yeah, fall. And apart means to be separated by distance from someone or something. But fall apart has nothing to do with falling or being apart. No, my friend. Come on. Fall apart means to break into pieces, or when a business or organization is unable to function, it's about to fall apart. And to fall apart can also be used when you say someone is becoming an emotional mess or unable to cope. Oh, that's a lot, but it has nothing to do with fall or apart. But when you put fall apart together, that's what it means. To break into pieces, to be unable to function as a business or organization, or to become an emotional mess or unable to cope. Why does English have so many phrasal verbs that have nothing to do with the two words that bring it together? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this sentence or sentences, I hope. I threw the vase and watched it fall apart. Then I fell apart because our business was on the verge of falling apart. What? Come on, English.